Hi everyone, I'm Sheetal Desai, and today I will walk you through SmartLearn AI. I built this application as part of Coding Shuttle's hackathon, delivering it within a focused 10-day sprint. SmartLearn AI is an AI-powered education platform built using Spring Boot and Spring AI. SmartLearn AI is designed to teach learners from A for Apple all the way to Ohm's Law and even microservices, scaling from foundational school education to advanced professional learning. Let's directly deep dive into the demo. We have seeded a few users. We have three roles right now supported: student, teacher, and admin. Let me log in as an admin. Let me log in as a student. Um, on login, the student lands on the learning dashboard where they can choose from school curriculum, uh, engineering domains, or the professional courses. For this demo, let's open Java object-oriented programming. This is our smart AI tutor. It supports teaching mode, doubt mode, and there is one global tutor mode provided on our landing page. So let's start with the teaching mode first. When I ask a question here, I will say first. Ask me to proceed. So when I ask question here, we pass the full lesson content, retrieve top relevant chunks from the pgvector, send structured context to the LLM. Since we are running on local LLM via Ollama, generation may take few seconds depending on the system resources. While it's generating, let me explain. Teaching mode is intentionally not cached because we want dynamic explanations for interactive learning. It can elaborate conceptually but remains bounded to the lesson scope. Uh, we have also supported text to speech. So let's try this for the object-oriented programming basics.
Is a programming paradigm based on the concept of objects. The four pillars are 1. Encapsulation, wrapping data and methods into a single unit. 2. Inheritance, mechanism where one class acquires property of another. 3.
So this section explains the course content over here, and we can also try the TTS here in the teach
I'm
mode.
happy to guide you
It will
further through the basics of object-oriented programming. Let's dive deeper into encapsulation.
so it will explain the latest chat thread over here. Now let's switch to the doubt mode. Here what happens, we perform semantic similarity search, apply a similarity threshold, retrieve only highly relevant lesson context. If no relevant context is found, we refuse. Let me ask something clearly unrelated to the object-oriented programming for now. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Um, we do have the cache support for this doubt section, but for the first time, it takes some time. If repeatedly the same questions is getting asked, it will answer immediately. So you can see it refused to answer. This ensures that no hallucination, no open domain guessing, fully grounded responses, and it sticks to the lesson context only. So doubt mode also support, as I explained, it supports caching. And if I ask this question again, you can see it will immediately answer. Okay, it has immediately answered. Now let's ask something related to the lesson context. What is encapsulation? Now it should answer it. Perfect. So let me guide you through the quiz flow. Now let's take the quiz. So the quizzes are generated dynamically from lesson context, cached for repeat access, and backed by deterministic fallback logic. In case LLM fails due to some reason, we are not breaking the user experience over here. We are falling back to the hard-coded quizzes. And the cache here is also randomized, so no repetitive questions are shown that frequently to the users. So let me show how it works. You know, so it gives immediate feedback to the user if it is the correct answer and what is the wrong answer. So let's see. Yeah, it displays the score over here. Student can retake the new quiz again, and it is not repeating the questions over here. Um, yeah. So let me take you to the skills and recommendations part now. After quizzes, we track skill mastery heat maps, concept performance, and weak areas. So for this professional course, student has already completed the uh, lessons, and it has scored well, so it is showing one expert level course completed. You can see in the path section the course mastered, course completed, great job, Java backend development. Let me get back to the skills section. We can select the school curriculum, as this user has not attended any of the courses here. We are showing this as a 0% mastery. But yes, if student has selected, let's say, professional uh, career, but we are also not restricting user to the specific courses. We are giving them the paths to explore like this. And also for the school curriculum, our AI prompts are different. It is more friendly uh, to the kids. Based on the performance, the system suggests a recommended learning paths. You can see it is talking differently to the kids. That is standard 1 to standard 10. This creates an adaptive learning journey tailored to each student over here. Okay. Now let's log out and log in as a teacher. So we have loaded this data using the data loader at the startup. Okay. Teachers land on to the management console. Here they can create courses, add modules, add lessons, upload PDF contents. Let me create a course for this demo. Uh, let's say it is a new course. We can select the category. Yeah, let's say school curriculum. Then we can add a description. Let's create. You can see it is immediately reflecting over here. We can add a module to this course. Okay, now we can add a lesson. So here a teacher can upload the PDF PPT files. Let me add something. The When the lesson is uploaded, the content is passed, indexed into the vector store, and immediately available to the AI tutor. You can see the PDF content is retrieved over here, and we can create the lesson, and it is we can edit it also. functionalities are working. Okay, now yes, and it's important to highlight something here. SmartLearn AI does not replace teachers. Teachers remains the source of truth for all learning content. The AI does not invent curriculum. It strictly teaches, explains, and quizzes based on the teacher provided material. This ensures academic integrity, institutional control, responsible AI usage. All CRUD operations are logged in. You can see the logs over here. Oops, sorry. Let me get back to the backend container. Okay. So you can see the logs part over here. Uh, it also triggers the cache eviction and reflects instantly on the UI. As you can see, the teacher has now shifted to the student view and it can immediately check if the new course is available to the student or not, and how it is looking to the student. We can also delete this course. Yeah, it is deleted now. Now let's log out of the teacher and log in as the admin. Okay. So admin lands to the admin panel. The admin panel allows user management, role assignment, platform-wide visibility. It has admin can access student view, management console, and global control panel. So let's stick to the admin panel for now. It can create new users over here. Let's say Ram form, and let's add it as a teacher or student. Let's add it as a student. Uh, you can see the student Ram is added over here, and we can delete it also. So we are preventing admin from the self deletion over here. So we are not we are preventing the system lockouts by doing this. Now let's briefly talk about the architecture. About the SmartLearn AI. It is built as a modular monolith, backend Java 21 with the Spring Boot 3.2 and AI integration using Spring AI. Databases we have used PostgreSQL 16 with the pgvector. Uh, then front end we have used the React.js. We choose monolith architecture for simplicity and performance for this hackathon. However, the structure is modular and can easily be decomposed into the microservices. You can see we have uh, authentication service, tutor service, content service, and the CRUD service over here. Deployment is handled via the Docker Compose with backend container, front-end container, and PostgreSQL container. You can see it over here. AI education platform has these three containers. All secrets are environment driven over here. Uh, the application will now not start without required environments variable like JWT secret and database credentials. Swagger UI is available for API testing. Let me show it. This is the API documentation for the SmartLearn AI. The full source code is uploaded to the GitHub with the clean modular structure. Our README file includes high-level architecture diagram. Let me show it. Yeah. It has the high-level architecture diagrams. Rack sequence diagram is explained over here. We do have the DFDs, level 0, 1, and detailed 1. We have added the entity relationship diagram over here. Uh, we have done the threat modeling using the stride threat modeling. Uh, in the AI architecture, I can explain that the doubt mode is the strict mode where we strictly follow the lesson context. The teaching is the guided one. Uh, we fall back to the LLM for more detailed explanations based on the lesson content. If the topic is clearly education related, then we answer. We do have one global tutor. It works as a chat GPT. Uh, Let me show you that also. So yeah, here you can ask anything about the courses or any general knowledge question can be answered over here. Uh, Let me explain our future vision. SmartLearn AI is just a beginning. Next pages include the multi-language AI tutoring in Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, and many more languages. Our Llama 3 model already supports the regional languages. Then competitive exam preparation support we want to add. Then AI curated general knowledge updates we will be providing. Coaching institute integrations, vision-based handwritten notes ingestion, institutional pricing model rollout will be coming soon in the next phase. Beyond this, SmartLearn AI can support schools during situations like pandemics or teacher unavailability, ensuring students still receive guided learning and doubt resolution 24 by 7. It can reduce dependency on heavy physical books by centralizing structured digital content. For engineering students, we have observed that they often struggle to find the organized notes and concept clarity. This platform provides structured, searchable AI-assisted academic support. We envision SmartLearn AI supporting schools, coaching classes, engineering institutions, competitive exam platforms. SmartLearn AI combines structured content management, strict RAG grounding, adaptive intelligence, and production-ready architecture to deliver responsible AI-powered education. It is not a chat GPT. It is strictly following RAG, and it is sticking to the lesson context which is uploaded by the teacher. It shows you the skills, paths, and track your progress. So yes, uh, learn smarter with AI. Thank you.